It's hard to believe this day has finally come. I have mixed emotions and I stand before you, marking the end of this fulfilling chapter of my life. I started my teaching career in the year 1987 in my 1987. At Silig High School, Pigit, Cotabato, and I stayed there for about 12 years. Together with Ma'am Masculino, no? Ang dami naming memories doon. Naranasan namin sumakay sa Tangke de Guerra, ang dami palang armas. Kasi hindi na kami makalabas ng Silig kung hindi hatid kami ng mga sundalo. Si Ma'am Masculino doon pa umakyat pa sa itaas, no? So, bawal umakyat kasi delikado, no? Then, naranasan din namin nag-meeting ang mga MIMN. Pinuntahan kami ng estudyante namin doon. Ma'am, sibat na kayo kasi delikado na. So, nag-prepare na kami. Dala-dala namin lahat ng gamit. Yung niluto namin sa akin, hindi naluto. Nag-start pa lang bukal. Takbo agad kami at saka lumabas, no? Ang dami. Naranasan sumakay sa bangka kasi palagi lang baha. Naranasan sa barge pa. At saka yung balong ko, Evan, natakbo ko tulog, no? Pababa kasi malapit masyado yung putukan na. So, tayo doon na magulo, yung pagkuha ng Radya Muda, kinuha ng pasundalo doon. Yung away. So, ang daming mga memories doon, hindi na makalimutan, no? So, thanks God because I was transferred year 2000 here in Lang National High School. And that is in exchange with Mr. Panto. Then, I handled values education in grade 7 for about 3 years. Then, after that, I was transferred also in math department. Then I was filled with joy, with a little bit of nervousness. But I was fortunate to be surrounded by incredible colleagues, mentors, and friends who guided me and supported me in every steps of my way. So I learned how to encode my grades because of Ma'am Melody, si Sir Jerry, si Ma'am Berlin, no? They were my mentors at that time in math room. Kasi mas matanda kami sa kanila, so hindi pa uso yung mga computer noon. Okay, thank you, my Lang National High School family, headed by Ma'am Bustilio, Ma'am Rudis, thank you for your support, all members of Lang National High School. Thank you for your support, memorable moments, challenges that shaped my professional life. Thank you for those also supported me all the way, especially my mathematics department family, my loving grade 8 family. No? You made my work easy and comfortable. And then, one thing I miss the most is the camaraderie we've shared, the laughters, the joke time, sharing problems about our students, and sometimes our family, and even sometimes disagreement. So all of these experiences have shaped me into who am I today. So to all those who are here, my family, my friends, visitors, retired teachers, staff, junior, senior high school teachers, thank you for your presence. Thank you for your love and support to make this program possible. Special thanks also to Ma'am Beth and Sir Varona for the program. Sa gwapa nga host, no? Giselle, my former student, Doc Kino. No? Thank you for your presence. And especially to Sir Richard Piblo who facilitate this activity, no? So this time, it's time for me to move on. No? I have enjoyed so much time here and I'm very proud to be a part of this institution. This school is one of the greatest because the people behind are exceptional. In Blang National High School, excellence is their business. Is their business na. Is my business. Is our business. I hope that all of you feel fortunate to work here as I have. So, my advice to the younger ones, madamo pa man bata, pursue your goals and goals as a teacher, no? Teach the students with passion and dedication. Love your student, especially those that are unlovable one, no? Wow, would like it once. Be proud, you are a teacher, the future of the students depends on you. So love your teaching profession, as teaching is a mission which God given to you. Tandaan. Okay, so worry not because God is with us. Sabi nila, God is enough. No? Ono Diyos basta. God is enough. Then adios, and then God bless us all.